Kiroko kia umuthi niguo mwiri wa John Ogwen Abithaa wa borithi ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Central Nakuru irathiro wonekanire ngari-ite ngiti-ini kia ndereba ngari-ini yake uri na nguraro mutwe-ini wake guku thakame kiuma kuma matu-ini na maniuru rigemero-ini ria ngari kuria maabithaa borithi maikaraga. Nigiko borithi mamenyithirio ni umwe wao na ngari no ikururumaga ende gicicio kia mwena wa ndereba kiuma kiurage.
Today morning, we woke up with an incident whereby one of our officers was found in the vehicle dead. Right now, we are trying to investigate and come to the root of the cause of the death.
Giko giki kirekuirwo gucungiririo ni ngaiha cia kiwendo. Joseph Tonui uria ni munini wa kamanda wa borithi kaunti ya Nakuru akiuga nimabikite mihang'o ya gwethana na mwendwa wa mutigairi Caroline Kagongo na uria no abithaa wa borithi ceceni-ini no ya Central.
And it is believed that the officer the last time was seen with his girlfriend, who happens to be his colleague also, Caroline Kagongo, who has since vanished, and her phone is switched off, and the police are looking for him as investigation has commenced.
Because we cannot say it's a suicide, but what we suspect, someone has done it because the Windows driver has been splashed with a stone to access the officer in the vehicle. Right now, the DCI and scenes of crime are on the ground, dealing with the issue to come to the root cause of the demise of our fellow officer.
Kurigana na Tonui, eria ya manari hamwe utuku wa gukia umuthi mihang'o-ini ya ikeno, indi Caroline uria wikaraga police line Kasarani o kuria mwiri wa mutigairi wonekanire, dauma gwake nyumba na thimo yake ni horie.
Believe they were seen lastly at midnight, the two of them, and investigation is still going on. I cannot give further in details as still on investigation.
Borithi mareko wa mwikuirwo uyu niwe uri na mushinga wa mutigairi muthemba wa seska pistol na maabithaa angi a borithi aria maikaraga hakuhi na eria ya onao makihungwo mahuri ciigie giko giki.
We have seen there is blood oozing from the ears, from the nose, so we suspect he was hit on the head, but we are yet to identify whether it's a blunt object or a bullet, so it's yet to be unearthed.
Hindi ya uthuthuria uyu kiroko kia umuthi ihiga cuma ndito thimo ya mutigairi o umwe na matigari ma rithathi ni hithukirio hakuhi na haria ngari ino yuma. Kiribotera Kameme TV kuma Nakuru irathiro ritwa riakwa ni wa ng'ombe wa Maina.